Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add color shadow in to PNG image in Photoshop. So let's start it. At first, open your Photoshop document. Now you can see add color shadow to PNG image in Photoshop. Now going to the file menu option. Then click. Now click from open option. Now open. Now select from PNG picture. Now click. Now click from open option. Now you can see then I show the open PNG picture. This PNG image in shadow, color shadow. Now going to the layer option. Now click from mouse right button. Now click from blending option. Now click from drop shadow and tick mark. And going to the opacity in the shadow and distance and spin and size. Now going to the color. Now choose from color. Now select from red color. Now click OK. Then click again, click OK. That is. Now you can see add color shadow to PNG image in Photoshop document is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank